Incremental greetings. Welcome to Pleasure Learning. I'm Guillem Palau, also known as Guillem Palace. And yesterday I did 8 months of milestone of using SuperMemo. Something I said that I will be doing is using more concepts, but I kind of failed to do so. I still have very few concepts given the amount of topics I have. So what you see here now is that I make my own convention. Let's say psychology. So first I had only psychology. Then, okay, let me specify more because I have more items and I want to be more concrete. So I want to specify if it's cognitive psychology or forensic psychology or social psychology or emotions, phobias, and so on. So what I do is that I create the topic. Let's say, for instance, memory. For now, memory is only one topic. So what I do is, when I have many of them, like anatomy, it's anatomy and specifically brain. If I'm more interested in anatomy, I will be more concrete. If I need to create a new concept, I will create the folder. So I have one folder of psychology that it's containing all the concepts related to psychology. And that's it. That's how I work. And I prefer to do this, psychology dot as in programming, that you have the inheritance. I like to work this way, and also because I'm used to Roman languages. Because in English, the main difference with English is that you say cognitive psychology and forensic psychology. So if I sort this by alphabetic order, it will be messy because of the adjective it's before the noun. So I prefer to have it like this. And that's actually the same solution I ended up doing in Anki with tags. And more or less it's the same. If you notice, it's always lowercase letters with some exception. But usually, if it's a folder, I capitalize the first letter. Not needed, because I see the icon, it's a T, it's not a light bulb. I can identify this as a topic, as a folder, but I can do it quicker. But there are certain exceptions to this rule. And as you can see, is quotes, imports, and people for now. This means when I capitalize everything, all caps, means that, yeah, that's a concept, but it's temporary. It is not meant to end up like as a concept. For instance, here I have people that I want to read about. It may happen that because of the importance of this person, it becomes a concept by itself, as Peter Gray. So now Peter Gray is a concept by itself. For instance, I haven't done this with Wozniak, even though SuperMemo Guru, I could phrase it as Piotr Wozniak, for instance. It's more like this sense, because all the child's hero topics are his writings. So it makes sense that the concept becomes the person, the source of the writings. But if he's talking about psychology or unschooling or dyslexia, it may happen that I will change the concept to this dyslexia or memory or whatever. So it's just a temporary.